guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is the part 2 of our grab bag, and we're so excited because the first grab bag that we had, there's so many beautiful goodies in here, and so let's open this one and see what's inside. I'm so excited. We're having fun here, and
There's
this is the
another
first time
bag.
grab bag that we're really enjoying ourselves.
There's another bag.
Oh yeah, so you just stir it down. So it will be easy. The end has no here.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
it smells good.
They said that mostly are Christmas designs, but I don't care as long as you would really love
Okay,
things
so
in here. So the first one is this one. It says fresh cotton scented sachet.
and this is
With there's no price. No,
oh
here
there.
it's $4.99. So from Ashland as well. Nice, so
And
pretty.
there's two of those.
Smells good. There's two
And-
kind of that one,
And this
and
one.
this one, another one, $4.99 as well. And it's a what cedar. I don't know what sense is that. Oh, okay. This one is cedar, and the other one is fresha scented. Another one is a stamp. Oh no! Wow, it's a stamp. Amazing, nice. It's $14.99. See? Oh, right. Great. This is nice. This is really good for cards. A Christmas card. It's warmest wishes. Wow.
It's so
So far, so good.
It's a balloon.
And this time, it's a mixture. There's a Valentine's mixture here that says multi-balloon. Multi-balloon. Foil balloon. It's cute. This is nice. And I don't know how much is this one. There's no price. Anyway, we're happy for this one.
And there's more of the
Okay,
scented.
there's more of the scented, like the fresh, and another one here is the peony. The peony, and another fresh cotton here. So even though if it's red, the other one is, I don't know if it's the same, but the other one is fresha. This one is fresh. So 3 fresh, 1 fresha, and peony, and cedar. There are 3 cedar here. Cute.
And next one. It's this.
So cute. Let's
It's a squishy.
Andre loves this one.
It's so soft.
So cute. This is cute.
Rising.
$3.
Oh, it's so soft.
So cute.
It's not broken or anything.
Oh yes.
It's not broken or anything.
This is cute. Oh, and you have one there.
And next one is
Are the candles
this.
from Ashland and Woodland Pine.
Is
And
this.
another one is the Alpine Garland.
Another of this one.
Another woodland pine. And holiday frosting. And another holiday frosting. This one is fruit garland. This is good for gifts for frosted bayberry.
And
another woodland pine. Another fruit garland.
And this.
Another frosted evergreen. So I have, I think, 10 candles here. Oh no,
And there's
3,
and there's
10, another one, 11, woodland pine. And
more of these.
so we have still fruit garland and the vintage holiday. So 13.
And
And more of these.
there's
The
so much.
cedar. See? There's so many. So, there's so many here. Different kinds of scented. I hope this still works. See? There's so many. I think there are also 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 of that. And the laser pegs. It's your imagination. Light it up. I don't know if it's still complete inside.
Yeah.
6 in 1. Can you open it up the end so that we will see what's inside? If it's still. You said
There's instructions and
instructions.
it's
And
open.
it's already open. So that's why it's the guy said that some of these are returned. So
And there's not any of these.
so it's
in
lacking.
it.
It's not in some of the items is not inside.
But
So
you can
I don't
still
know
build
if you could still
but you can still build something out of it.
there's not none anymore.
Nope.
So yeah, I don't know. We still have to find out if we could another stamp.
Stamp.
This is great. Another stamp. And originally this is $9.99. And it's Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
I have something for Christmas
Get
now.
ready for this. You're gonna pop your eyes open.
Another paper
Paper
pad. The Fala Llama.
There's
And I
two
think
of them.
the same.
Oh wait, there's three of them.
It's all the same.
Yep. There's
Yeah.
three
There are 3
and one.
paper pad. All are Fala Llama. And even though some of you see already what's inside, I would still flip through some of the pages so you will be reminded what's in here. Although you can really see at the front and have an idea what's inside. So this is what's inside. Honestly, I bought one of these before. But at least I have something to give to some of my friends there in the Philippines because they're also making cards. So I would be able to have some giveaways to them. So that's what in here. See? So many. So you can see paper pad and candles and the scented sachets, which has so many also, like 15 of them as well.
And the stamp.
And the stamps, which I really love. And this one, and also
It's squishy.
this is one of the most important thing. I really loves this one. So far only the toys is not really complete. So but $4, yeah, it's already everything is already fine. So we're so I'm glad I was able to get some of these things. So at least I have some stuff to just really be able to give something to my friends. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.